The head of the model is in a T-shape, is 90 degrees. The gearbox teeth and the core teeth are in a line. If they are not in a line, you need to adjust it. It should be adjusted to 90 degrees. Both horizontal and vertical are 90 degrees. Then rotate the gearbox. The tooth tips of the gearbox shaft and the shaft are in a line. Look, there is a gap between these two. There must be clearance. No gap won't work, you know. Both sides have pointed shapes. That's enough. About 1 millimeter. Case 1. If the mandrel tail cannot contact the gearbox, the adjusting shim thickness equals clearance distance from mandrel tail to drive shaft plus 2 millimeters. Case 2. If the mandrel tail can contact the gearbox, use an adjusting shim with a thickness of 6 millimeters to 8 millimeters after pushing the core to the end, and then move it back by 2 millimeters. The end of the core cannot scuff this end face. The thicker one should be made for the wider gap, and the small one should be thinner. Then just screw it on and tighten it. After tightening, push the new one up. Then repeat the current layout and put the deer head in the best combination. Push it in. Tooth-tooth alignment in a straight line. Turn it again. I'll move back a little bit. Both should be tooth to tooth. Then hold my side. When the other gear is not aligned, turn this side. It has a small gap, it's loose. Look, the gears are aligned, right? Turn the transmission. Check if there is any gap between the two nut heads. It has a sliding core up and down. You need to pay attention when prying. There is a gap. It can't be pried without a gap, right? The amplitude is not big. Normally, it's less than 1 millimeter. The first step is to adjust it well after the teeth are aligned. There is a gap. Look, zoom in on the gap. Just look at the middle. Pull out the screw. Put on the spline sleeve. This is reverse thread. This end is reverse thread. This end must be aligned. And this end has no hook. On the transmission side, this is positive thread. The cap is the same. You need to rotate the drive shaft, align the gearbox teeth and the constellation teeth. Turn the transmission shaft teeth, then put it in place. And then knock it. It's smooth, so it can be used. Put the clip ring on. Insert the bottom completely. Then screw the cap on. I've tightened it. Like this, and then turn it. It can rotate. Like this.